Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly options, but on-screen display malfunctions are among the most common issues reported by users. This problem affects various model lines, including the E24, C24, and U27 series, and appears to be primarily hardware-related rather than software-based. To understand these failures, we need to examine the four key components of the OSD system. The OSD system consists of physical buttons on the monitor bezel, an internal microcontroller that processes inputs, a display overlay system for menu graphics, and EEPROM storage for settings. OSD failures typically follow four distinct patterns, each indicating different underlying issues. These patterns include complete unresponsiveness where no menu appears, partial functionality where some buttons work, navigation failure where menus display but controls don't respond, and intermittent operation. Now, let's examine the two primary troubleshooting methods that have proven most effective for resolving these issues. The power cycle reset is the most effective method with an 85% success rate. First, unplug the monitor for at least 30 seconds. Next, hold the power button for 10 seconds while the monitor remains unplugged. This drains residual power from the system. Finally, reconnect the power cord and test the OSD functionality. This method resolves most OSD issues by resetting the internal microcontroller. If the power cycle doesn't work, try the button sequence reset method. The button sequence reset has a 70% success rate. Press and hold the menu and power buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Some models may require menu plus down arrow instead. Wait for the screen to flash or show a reset confirmation before releasing the buttons. These two methods resolve the majority of Sceptre monitor OSD issues, with power cycle reset being the most effective at 85% success rate, followed by button sequence reset at 70%. If basic troubleshooting fails, try a factory reset through the hidden service menu. This advanced method can resolve deeper OSD malfunctions. Check Sceptre's website for firmware updates, though many models don't support user updates. For physical issues, clean buttons with compressed air and isopropyl alcohol. Persistent problems often indicate hardware failures, like microcontroller or button matrix issues, which typically require professional repair or replacement. Prevent OSD issues by avoiding rapid button pressing, power cycling weekly, using surge protection, and maintaining proper environmental conditions. Sceptre monitors typically have 1 to 3 year warranties, and OSD failures often qualify for replacement. Experts recommend replacement over repair for monitors over 3 years old or when multiple reset attempts fail.